Whether you love dogs or cats, this story will surely warm your heart. In July 2020, the Sunshine Dog Rescue Organization found a stray dog at a gas station near the US-Mexico border. The dog is an Australian Shepherd mix, very weak and survived by rummaging through trash cans. They named her Georgia and quickly realized she was pregnant. Sadly, her homeless days have caused her many health problems. So her childs were all born prematurely. After giving birth, Georgia desperately searches for her babies. She even bit the mattress trying to find her puppies. To help Georgia overcome the pain, Anita posted information on the internet looking for any animals that needed a lactating mother dog. Coincidentally, there are 3 newborn kittens who are looking for a mother. At first, Anita was uncertain. She's afraid that they will not be able to get along because cats are completely different, and Georgia will not accept them. But she was extremely surprised by George's connection with the kittens. She calmly accepted the kittens and started nursing them. Georgia even takes good care of the kittens. She licks them clean and keeps them safe. The kittens help her forget her nostalgia for her lost children. It's a special and strong bond. But luck has not yet smiled on Georgia. The doctors did an examination and found that she had tumors on her body. Cure rates for these tumors are high, but it means she has to be away from her babies for chemo. Those were tough days, but Georgia is a very strong girl. At the end of the treatment, she immediately went to visit her childs. Look how happy she is to see the babies. A family is ready to adopt both Georgia and Toby, the kitten she loves the most. Thanks to that, she can be together forever.